The AP Moller Maersk Group strives constantly to develop and expand its activities for the benefit of its stakeholders. The group's many activities are coordinated at the head office in Copenhagen. Mr. Niels Smilgaard Andersen is Group CEO, with senior responsibility for the AP Moller Maersk Group, and together with the executive board, he handles the company's day-to-day management. Business activities within energy, offshore and the transport of oil and gas are equally part of the AP Moller Maersk portfolio. Maersk Oil was established in 1962, when AP Moller was awarded the concession for exploration and production of oil and gas in Denmark. The major player in the Danish part of the North Sea is Dansk Undergrunds Consortium, a joint venture between AP Moller Maersk, Shell and Chevron, with Maersk Oil as operator. In 1972, production was initiated from the Dan field, 200 kilometers west of the Danish coast. Since then, another 13 fields have been brought on stream in the area. The oil and gas fields in the North Sea, offshore Qatar and Kazakhstan now produce about 800,000 barrels of oil equivalents per day. Difficult marginal reservoirs have required Maersk Oil to develop continually and deploy new, efficient technologies. The continued development of horizontal well completion techniques leading to a more efficient oil and gas production is a good example of this. Water injection technology, where water is pumped through the porous underground, forcing the oil into the production well, is another efficient technology. Protection of the environment and health and safety are of prime concern to Maersk Oil in all operations. Maersk Drilling and Maersk FPSOs are engaged in both drilling for and production of oil and gas for the oil companies. Sophisticated equipment makes it possible to drill in some of the world's harshest environments. The drilling rig Maersk Innovator is, like her sister rig Maersk Inspirer, able to operate under extreme weather conditions at water depths of up to 150 meters. Maersk Supply Services vessels deliver all the necessary equipment to platforms and mobile drilling rigs, returning with goods and waste for safe disposal. Subsea construction work, anchor handling, towage of rigs and platforms, and the laying of underwater cables and related tasks are also part of Maersk Supply Services' expertise. For Maersk tankers, service and environmentally friendly transport are always in focus. The key to this is the attitude and training of employees. Information technology also helps to increase safety, as do double-hulled vessels and protected fuel tanks. Supertankers of about 300,000 tons transport crude oil to the refineries.
He's on the ladder now. Okay, very good. Thank you.
And product tankers distribute the refined products and chemicals to customers all over the world. The fleet of special vessels is employed in many parts of the world with various tasks, such as distribution of petrochemical gases and liquefied petroleum gases used in the plastic industry and for the heating of houses. Transport of natural gas by Maersk LNG. Norfolk Line with inter-European transport of freight and passengers, and Svitzer within towage, salvage and other offshore activities. Many of the AP Moller Maersk's vessels are built at Odense Steel Shipyard, also known as the Linu Yard. Refrigerated containers are produced in large numbers within the group. Maersk Container Industry can produce a finished reefer container in China every 10 minutes, contributing to a reliable transport of goods to all parts of the world. Supply chain management is important to Dansk Supermarked's retail shops, Bilka, Føtex and Netto. Supply chain management also applies to the different activities within the plastic industry, which also forms part of the AP Moller Maersk Group. The market and the requirements of our customers are subject to constant change, as is AP Moller Maersk. Becoming a world-class group, known and recognized as such, is our vision. Our employees continue to learn throughout their careers, and the combined internal and external training programs cover everything from the education of trainees and cadets to advanced management studies. Constant care and skillful employees, along with our name and a strong network, are key to providing second-to-none services and will remain the basis for carrying on a sound and growing business into the future.